Let's take a look at our largest helicopter on the website. It's quite a size, this one, beautifully made, 3-channel. It's got an indestructible nose, very, very solid nose. Undercarriage, very flexible, it's not going to snap. Really almost indestructible, this helicopter. Lightweight metal, bit of plastic underneath here, but absolutely solid construction. The blades are coated in rubber so they don't chip or break if they hit anything, and they really are flexible. They are really indestructible. This unit has a very good gyro in it and is very powerful, ideal for outdoors. Will handle a light breeze, no problem at all. The controller, left stick is your power. As I say, this is 3 channels, so you can get it to the right position and hover. Then forwards, backwards, left and right, forwards, and you can steer left and right and steer backwards as well. As your trims, little thing you need to know about these controllers, you switch it on, all lights up down here. This is on factory setting. You can override this setting and put trims on yourself. It will not activate until you push it forward, then push it back and you'll listen, you'll hear the beep. That means it's activated, and down here there's a little sign saying it's connected to the helicopter. Okay, let's power it up, see how it flies. Huge helicopter in a very small room. Great control though, 3 channels. Madness. Massive helicopter, great fun. On the website, take a look. It's our largest one, indoors and outdoors, but you need a bigger room than we've got.